Hello and welcome to another video for SAT Maths. Today's topic is nonlinear relationships. Let's begin with the first question. These are easy questions. It says given that the equation is this, find the coordinates of the vertex of the parabola. So my calculator can find out the vertex on its own when I do the polynomial. Let's do that. 1, 18 and 60. I can also find the vertex of the parabola using formulas. So it says minus 9 comma minus 21. So here's the answer, the last one. So that. Next question, it says consider the equation this, which of the following statement is correct? Okay, so this is the completed square form. It tells me the vertex directly. The value inside the bracket tells me the x coordinate of the turning point, and the value outside tells me the y coordinate of the turning point. So minus 1 comma 3. It is a sad face curve, so it opens downwards. Minus 1 comma 3. The next one says, given that the quadratic equation is this, and the axis, find the what is the axis of symmetry. So the axis of symmetry is basically a line passing through the turning point. Basically, it's passing through here. Okay, so it's at x equals to 4. What is the vertex? Again, this is the completed square form, so I can see it's 7 comma minus 4. You should be able to read all of these for your SAT. Identify the y-intercept. So whenever you have the equation in the standard form, the y-intercept is basically the number at the end. So this is the y-intercept. Okay, I'll have some more easy questions. Okay, if the equation is this, has a vertex of 3 comma 4 and passes through the point 4 comma 6, what is the value of a? Okay, what is the value of a? It is supposed to look like that if the vertex is at 3 4, and after the vertex it's going up. Okay, so that's one thing that I know, that it's going up, so it has to be a positive number, either 1 or 2. I will have to solve this somehow simultaneously. Okay, what's the easiest way to do this? That's what I'm thinking about. Let's first plug in the points. Let's see what we get. So 9a plus 3b plus c, and 6 equals to 16a plus 4b plus c. And for the x coordinate of the turning point, we have minus b over 2a, and that should be equals to 3. So minus b equals to 6a. I'm just wondering if it's that long a question. I think that is a long question. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to replace c from here into this equation and say that 6 equals to 16a plus 4b plus 4 minus 9a minus